Are you in the market for a free saturation plugin? If yes, I have news for you. WideFire by JMG Audio is here to make waves. Now, this plugin is usually available for €9. However, during this introductory offer, you get it for free. All you have to do is head over to the website, create a free account, add this plugin to your cart, and check out. The price will automatically be set to 0. I installed this plugin and the installation process was somewhat complex. They have this plugin manager that you will need to install in order to use WideFire. So I did that. Now let us go ahead and see what this plugin does. I was told that this plugin processes the harmonics separately, which gives it a different sound than most saturation plugins. So let us try it out ourselves. I have this simple sample loaded up, and this is what it sounds like without any effects. Cool, let us now go ahead and load up DarkFire. WideFire, that is. So, if you take a look at this interface, you will notice that there are quite a few options given over here. One thing that I want to mention is that the plugin is fully resizable, so you can change it any way that you like, and the interface changes accordingly. Now, the first option given over here is the input drive. With the help of this, you can add saturation and distortion to your signal, and if you choose to turn it down, then it will add some clarity to your signal. So let's take a look. Perfect. Now let us turn this down. Great. So let me increase this value to somewhere around here. And while you're fidgeting with this option, always make sure that you have the limiter turned on over here so that you don't have to worry about clipping. And if you want to add this effect and not worry about increasing your levels, you can also turn on the AGC option over here. Now you also notice that you have a high pass filter and a low pass filter built in on your input filter, and the same options are available on the output filter as well. To the right you have Harmonics Level, which will add harmonics to your sound. So let's play with that. Good. Now, if you notice, you can also shape the harmonics that you're adding to your signal. So you can add lows, shape your mids, and add clarity with the help of the high frequency knob over here. So let us try and play with this. Now at the bottom, you have these four options. So you can add compression, make your sound wider with the help of stereo, add depth to your sound, and modulate it with the help of the mod knob. So let's give this a listen. Now at the top, we also have a few built-in presets that you can play around with. Also, we have an oversampling knob that you can use to enrich your sound. Apart from that, you also have the availability to A/B test your settings. So you can play around with a set of various settings under A testing and then make changes on the B testing without losing any of these. If you're new to music production and you find this process confusing, I offer one-on-one sessions that you can check out by visiting my website. I'll leave a link to it down in the description and in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.